Hello fourth class, get ready for today's SS class. Students, we have learned about the elements of a map. The elements of a map are title, directions, legend, symbols, colors and scale. These are the elements of a map, and without these elements a map is incomplete. Students, as you know, we are doing block 7 using a map, and today we will use these elements to create our own map. So here is a question for you. Question is, why do we need maps? Let's discuss the answer. We need a map to locate a place easily. So why do we need a map? We need a map to locate a place easily. With the help of a map, we can reach a place and we can locate a place easily. Clear, students? Now students, tell me, why do we need to learn how to create a map? Let's discuss some important facts about this lesson. By learning how to create a map, we can easily help somebody to reach a place. So अगर एक मैप के यूज़ से हम ईज़िली किसी की हेल्प कर सकते हैं, अगर किसी को किसी प्लेस पे पहुंचना है तो वी कैन ईज़िली हेल्प समबडी टू रीच अ प्लेस. Clear, students? So moving to our next step, higher order thinking question. You can see in this picture two boys are talking about something. Let's think, you live in X place, and your classmate lives in Y place. He needs to visit your home to collect some books. How will you explain the route of your house from the bus stand? How will you ensure that he does not forget the route? So आप कैसे हेल्प करोगे अपने फ्रेंड की कि वो आपके घर पे आ सके? बस स्टॉप से आप कैसे उसे अपने हाउस का जो रूट है वो आपसे बताओगे? Let's discuss the answer. We can draw a sketch of map of the area and draw the routes on the map. So we can draw a sketch of map and area and draw the route on the map. I hope it is clear to you all. Good. Now students, please open your worksheet as for create a map. And first one is, look at the picture of a neighborhood. Draw the map of the same area in the box. So you have to draw the same area. ये जो एरिया है उसको आपको मैप पे ड्रॉ करना है, सेम एरिया को. सो यू विल ड्रॉ. सो यू कैन सी हेयर इज़ अ पिक्चर ऑफ अ गार्डन. सो यू कैन शो दिस एरिया विथ ग्रीन कलर. क्लियर, स्टूडेंट्स? एंड इन द लेसन यू कैन राइट गार्डन. ग्रीन कलर में आप राइट कर सकते हो, ग्रीन कलर के सामने गार्डन. ओके स्टूडेंट्स? एंड you can symbolize the roads of this area in the map. Clear, students? I hope it is clear to you all that how to create a map. Firstly, you will write on the top a title, then you will show the directions, then you will create a legend or key. Clear, students? In the legend and key you will draw symbols and colors. I hope it is clear to you all. So second question is, why do we need to know how to create a map? Why do we need to know how to create a map? By learning how to create a map, we can easily help somebody to reach a place. Clear, students? So this is your worksheet S4 and you have to do this. Now students, you have to do practice question number 9. Match the symbols with their meanings. Can you design your own symbol for reach? So आपको इन सिम्बल्स को मैच करना है और आपको अपना कोई डिज़ाइन भी ड्रॉ करना है कि आपके सिम्बल्स का कौन सा डिज़ाइन हो सकता है. लाइक बस स्टॉप के लिए यू कैन ड्रॉ अ बस. स्कूल के लिए यू कैन ड्रॉ एनीथिंग लाइक स्टूडेंट्स or books. You can draw your own symbol. You have to draw a symbol for pond and a symbol for road, and you have to draw a symbol for a post office. So you have to do this question number 9. Clear, students? Thank you students for watching this video.